Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting your SRAM AXS Derailleur is a quick process that solves most shifting issues. You might need to do this if your components lose their connection or if you just installed new parts. First, ensure your batteries are fully charged and installed. Start by pressing and holding the AXS button on the rear derailleur. The green light will start to flash slowly. This means it is in pairing mode. Now, go to your shifter. Press and hold the small AXS button on the inside of the paddle. Wait for the light on the shifter to flash quickly. Look back at the derailleur. The light should now be flashing fast. Press the AXS button on the derailleur once more to exit pairing mode. All lights should turn off. Your system is now synced. If you need to reset the physical position, use the micro adjust feature. Hold the AXS button on the shifter while clicking the paddle. Each click moves the derailleur slightly. This aligns the chain perfectly with the cogs. You can also use the SRAM AXS mobile app for a full system reset. Open the app and connect your bike via Bluetooth. Select your rear derailleur from the list. Follow the prompts to clear the current settings. This restores the factory defaults. Test your shifting through every gear on the stand. Make sure the chain moves smoothly up and down the cassette. Your wireless drivetrain is now ready for the trail. These simple steps keep your bike running like new. Electronic shifting is reliable when you know these basic tricks. Proper maintenance ensures a great ride every single time.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.